And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. This is Mike, the FX boss, and this is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Never forget, trading is a learnable skill when you learn in the correct way. Happy Monday. Yeah, it's almost end of the year, right? Almost Christmas, it's almost vacation time. Vacation time. Alright, everybody, never forget what is our goal. The goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years on average in an institutional way. What is this? First the analyst, then the trader. Alright, and we're trying to do this together with the manual. And today we have how to properly do trend lines, consolidation inside the trend, everybody. Before jumping in, just quickly, you are going to graduate from this course when, number one, you have your charts set up and ready for trading. So we're going to work on this one today. You have a strategy in place. You understand how probabilistic thinking affects your strategy because you are building your strategy. And number three, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. And we are going to work on this too. Risk disclaimer: this stream is not trading or investment advice. For homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail and you have also Skype. If you didn't receive the free manual courtesy of Trader Shola and Trader Ernesto, ask for it. Alright, everybody? Am I missing anything? I believe not. Alright, so alright, today it's what? Market structure and trends, consolidation inside the trend. Alright. We are talking about consolidation as a part of the trend, says the manual. Consolidation inside trends where the most novice traders lose money. Charting trading rule: a consolidation is confirmed when we have a minimum 2 highs and 2 lows with more or less equal values. Those values don't need to be to the pip, everybody, but you can clearly see that the market is not trending anymore. It's locked into inside the range. Suggestion: if you find a position where the market seems to be going long and you short the market and then it makes sorry some kind of double bottom or equal lows, get out of the short position. What else? Trading concept: consolidations are traded by the floor, sell the ceiling. And one quick results: really read this concept. Wow, okay, so let's read the concept. Consolidations are traded by the floor and sell the ceiling. Now, taking in consideration that long and medium term trends are up, in this case the higher probabilities are if we go up, if we go long. Why? Because consolidation are a structural part of trends on all time frames, and 7 times out of 10 probability game, the consolidation is going to break out in the direction of the previous established trend. Alright, and how not to lose money: trade with bigger patterns. And alright, so out this one, 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 and we can stay here, everybody. Alright, now this is the short-term trend, right? And consolidations are going to appear, everybody. Here the consolidation, here the consolidation, here the consolidation. Alright, and here the consolidation. Alright, and here the consolidation. Just an example, right? And there you go. So, alright, what do I need to understand as an analyst, also a trader? Consolidations are a normal price movement natural part of trends, market waves, Fibonacci's, and other patterns. Therefore are not to be feared. Alright, everybody? Consolidations are normal price movement and are a structural part of trends, market wave, Fibonacci's, and other patterns, therefore are not to be feared. And edit label, we can find consolidations on all time frames. Meaning you are going to have consolidation. Make sense, everybody? Now we've learned trend lines, right? If this is the trend line, everybody, so this might be a market wave or this might be a short-term trend. So this is going to be extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. Now I want you to learn, everybody, to understand that even though you have consolidation. Hello Ala, how are you? Ala, we have the basket course US dollar index this Saturday. I didn't forget on Zoom. Alright, Ala, I didn't forget. And everybody, if you want to join, continue this, you want to join. It's not 26th, it's 25th. My mistake, my bad. So Saturday, 25th of November, everybody. I'm not sure if it's AM. Yes, AM New York time. Alright, if you want to join, send me an email. Alright. This is the last course this year, then we go on vacation. Alright. Okay, everybody, so what I wanted to learn is that the market didn't really change, did it? Can you see, everybody? In the big picture, if you look at what is the big picture? The violet is the big picture. In the big picture, the market didn't really change, did it? And we've learned that if I would put the stop loss to the previous relevant low in trading, the market wave or the short-term trend, wouldn't I win? And you too, wouldn't we win every single time? We've learned all of this, right? You are buying the market anywhere, just an example. You are buying the market anywhere from in here, stop loss, previous relevant low. You are buying the market anywhere in here, stop loss and the previous low. You are buying the market anywhere in here, stop loss on the previous low. Or maybe you are shorting the market. See, everybody, how our brain, we need to train and study the charts. Alright? We need to learn, everybody, to spatially see and understand consolidations as a part of the normal, natural market behavior. Alright? Now I'm going to show you where we, all of us, me too, where we lose money as beginner traders. Even though I'm not a trader yet, you know, I'm telling myself, oh, I'm a trader. Nah, you start as an analyst first, all right? Boss, why is this so difficult? Because now this is theory, right? And it's easy for me to be smart and telling you, oh, this is the high, this is the low. But what if I don't see the future? Right? It gets difficult, agreed everybody? Yes, now I can use a trend line, not to forget, alright? So, where we lose? We lose, do you want to make a screenshot everybody? Photo screenshot. Alright, I'm going to leave it for 5 seconds and then type in the chat done. Yes, you have consolidations in extensions and retracements. Yes, sir. You could have yes, you could have, exactly, you could have consolidation inside extensions and retracements. Alright, now, where do we lose money? Okay, we lose money, everybody, because we could see something like this. Give me a second. We could see something like this. High to low, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, and then lower, low, and lower, high. Is the red one, everybody, a price movement? Is the red one a price action? Compared to everything that you are seeing from before. Alas is done. Is the red one price action? Yes, alright. What is this price action? So me and you, me being more skilled, right, as a professional trader, and you being less skilled, you're just starting out, you know, what is this price action telling you that the market is going to do? Does this price action, this is what you see, now this is what our brain is seeing, you know, but talking about taking positions, making decisions, you know, what is your brain seeing? Is your brain seeing, oh, this market is going to go up? Or is your brain seeing, oh, this market is going to go down? There is no right or wrong, but what do you think? You are going to lose either way, don't be smart. Long, yeah, alright, now you are smart, right? The market's making lower lows, lower highs, it made a lower low, you know, and it made a lower high, you know, this was the high, and this was the low, and this was the high, and this was the lower low, and this was the lower high, and you have a counter trend line break, and you are telling me that this market is telling you to buy, right? You are smart, right? And it's okay. You are going to lose either way. Short. If you follow the rules, and this is what your brain is picking up, your brain is going to tell you to short, exactly, to go down, to sell the market, right? Now, what happens, everybody, when you, if you are smart, right, you're going against the short-term trend, you know, you are buying up in here, you know, let's say that you've bought, right? You bought the market and you just lost. Can you see it, everybody? You've been smart, right? You are buying in a downtrend. You bought the market here and you've lost. Make sense? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. If you short the market, you won to until a certain point. Right? And then if the market goes up again, you know, are you going to buy the market? Middle or low, right? Just for one pip or two. Exactly, that's the game. Perception is the name of the game. Beginner analysts, not a trader yet, an analyst. Perception is the name of the game. You know? Somebody says, oh, I'm going to buy again. Well, alright. You can do whatever you want. You're going to buy. You know? And maybe you're going to win a little bit or not. But somebody's going to short again, right, everybody? Alright. And now this is the consolidation. Somebody was asking, oh, why is it that difficult? Because you cannot predict consolidation. Does this make sense? We get caught in consolidation only when it appears. And this is why from the book, 99% of beginner traders lose money in consolidation. Statistically proven fact. Make sense? We as beginner traders, not a trader yet, institutional way, I'm an analyst, but I'm trading, I'm trying to do something on the demo account, you know, and I'm going to make money in an uptrend and I'm going to make money in a downtrend, but then I'm going to give it all back or 70% back when consolidation comes along. Why? Because you are going to take positions in consolidation. Consolidation on the smaller scale is going to show you lower lows, lower highs, or is going to show you higher highs, higher lows. Make sense, everybody? So this is a losing game when it comes to trend trading. You might write this down. Consolidation becomes a losing game when it comes to trend trading, meaning you are going to lose. But you must still understand, everybody, that trading and being an analyst are two different things, because consolidations are normal price movement and are a structural part of trends, market waves, Fibonacci's too, and other patterns, therefore are not to be feared. Alright? Let me give you a golden nugget, everybody. Strategy wise, right? Golden nugget. Golden, it's Monday, so let's start strong. Golden nugget. Golden nugget. Example of a strategy rule. If I lose 3 consecutive times, if I lose 3 consecutive times on the same currency pair, trading the same pattern on the same time frame, I stop trading because there is a 80% chance. Why 80? Why not 100? Because I lost 3 times. There is a 80% chance I am in consolidation. Wow, right? Aren't you happy to learn this stuff, everybody? Golden nugget. Example of a strategy rule. If I lose 3 consecutive times, keyword, on the same currency pair, trading the same pattern, uptrend or downtrend, on the same time frame, I stop trading. Everybody, you might take a screenshot of this too. 5 seconds, type in the chat done, take a screenshot. Yeah, I need more coffee, no coffee. I need more coffee. If I lose 3 consecutive times on the same currency pair, keyword, I need to be consecutive. Trading the same pattern on the same time frame, then I stop trading because there is an 80% chance I'm in consolidation. What does this mean, right? This is how we lose on consolidation, everybody. And is this picture, right? Is this picture? How does this go? This is an uptrend, right? Alright, and here I'm going to buy again. On the same currency pair, same time frame. Alright, I'm going to buy, and risk reward ratio wise, right? I'm going to risk 1 to get to 2. A second, clone. A risk reward ratio is going to save you. Done, alright, thank you very much, Allah. So I'm going to buy the market in here. Let's color code this in green. And then the market's going to go up, 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 up. And then it's going to go down, 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 and it's going to stop me out, alright? Just an example. So this is one. And you're going to say, well, no big deal, the market is reversing because the market broke the relevant low. Agreed, everybody? Go back to Dukascopy YouTube channel webinar and start to watch lesson number 1. The entry level, the retracement entry, it's not the relevant low yet. This low, it's not confirmed. This is the relevant low. And the market didn't make a higher high, therefore this is the relevant low, and the market is going to stop you out. And you're going to say, alright, no big deal. The trend must retrace, it must reverse. And this is true, right? Now, what your brain is seeing is, everybody, do we agree? Your brain is seeing a potential or maybe a confirmed downtrend. Do we agree? We were in an uptrend. The brain was understanding the market making higher highs, higher lows, the red one. But then because the market made a lower low or equal to the pip, double tops, and now break this low, break those two, now what I'm seeing is a downtrend. Agreed? Alright. And until here it's alright. So I lost one. Then the market, what is the strategy? It's always the same. No brainer. I'm going to wait for a retracement on a downtrend, and I'm going to exactly, and I'm going to short the market because my trend is picking up the price action, the movement. Agreed, everybody? I'm going to wait for a retracement, counter trendline break, and I'm going now, this time I'm going short. This is the entry, color code in green. Now, risk reward ratio wise, this is my stop loss on the previous high, not the most recent high. Rules on the stop loss. And now I am shorting the market. I want to, if I'm risking €1, 1 Bitcoin, $1, I want to make 2 Bitcoins, $2, 2 euros, right? I'm risking 1 Lambo, I want to make 2 Lambos, alright. And I'm going to short the market, and the market is going to go down, and then it's going to go back up, right? Somewhere to up in here, bam! Sorry, this is the previous high, right? This was the most recent, the red one, the black one is the previous high. So I have a second consecutive loser, and maybe I can improve grammar and English. If I lose 3 consecutive times, yeah, let's get this better. If I'm losing if I lose 3 consecutive times trading in opposite directions, even better, right? Trading in the opposite directions on the same currency pair, trading the same pattern, which is the trend, on the same time frame, I stop trading because there is an 80% chance that I'm in consolidation. So I was going long, I've lost one, now I'm going short, I've lost the second one, and I'm going to say, well, no big deal. You know, this was just a retracement. So looks like the market is speaking, because the market sometimes does this, right? You have sometimes, everybody, the market does this, right? It's going to make a lower low after the high is confirmed. It's going to make a lower low and then it's going to continue, right? Sometimes the market, exactly, sometimes the market does this, all right? So I'm saying myself, all right, you know, this is no big deal. Looks like the market is picking up, is going up again. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to wait for now this short-term trend, you know, the mini swings, if you want. My brain is saying what? My brain is saying this. My brain is seeing this one. My brain is not seeing downtrend, the black one anymore, if you want. The violet. My brain is picking. My brain is picking up now the black one. Higher highs, higher lows again. And there are higher highs, higher lows. So what is the strategy again? Well, no brainer. Wait for a retracement and buying long, right? And this is going to be, everybody, when you buy up in here, stop loss, previous one, or maybe down in here, whatever, you are going to buy, and now this is going to be the third time that the market is, if it's going to stop you out or not for a pip, it's really irrelevant, but this is going to be the third time, then the trade is not going to go your way. Alright? Why not? Because we are in consolidation. Alright, everybody? This is how, until you get more skilled, it's normal, pat yourself on the back, but this is how you are going to lose. Alright? Those losers are okay. What do you mean okay? You cannot predict consolidation. Alright? Impossible. If you have a guru or a mentor or a teacher or a coach or a system trader selling you logarithms and expert advisor, you can call him a liar. Oh, my indicator is predicting consolidation. Liar. Scammer. Alright? Boss, how do you know? If it would be possible to predict consolidation, I mean, you can shoot at stars, make sense? You can speculate. Oh, consolidation is coming. But this is me and you speculating. If there would be a statistically proven way, a strategy, a model, that we can correctly predict consolidation, everybody would be a billionaire by now. I'm not going to ask you if you agree with me, I'm going to ask you a better question. Does this make sense to you? Somebody's typing, but once the consolidation is established, we can trade it. Exactly. Yes, you can, but beginner traders, not a trader yet, you're an analyst, we get scared. Right? Can you relate to this, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I can relate to this, or type in the chat, no, I cannot relate, this is all BS, you know, whatever. This happens to everybody, I mean everybody. 100% of traders worldwide, beginners, in some point in time, they lose big in consolidation. Unaware, fair enough, unaware. Unaware that there is consolidation. Make sense? Boss, what to do? Now, you are not going to like the answer. What to do? You cannot do anything. Make sense? You cannot do anything, unfortunately. Trend traders and trend trading, we are suffering in here. Consolidation periods, when it comes to trend trading, whatever strategy, whatever methodology, whatever indicators, you are going to suffer. Make sense? You are going to have 1, 2, 3 losers, maybe 4. But once you understand that this is consolidation, everybody, then or you stay out or you trade consolidation. Allah says, yes, yes, I can. Very good. Allah says, I understand. Not if I agree, I understand. So, beginner students, golden nugget. Whatever time frame, whatever methodology, whatever that you're doing, if you lose 3 consecutive times trading in opposite direction, we went long up in here, we lost. We went short down in here, we lost again. We went long again and we lost again. 3 consecutive keyword. Must be consecutive, one after another. Times on the same currency pair, trading the same pattern, in this example was the short-term trend, on the same time frame, I stop trading because there is an 80% chance I'm in consolidation. Do you understand why now, professional money managers, we are risking 0.5% per trade, not 2% per trade? When consolidation comes, if you are risking, boss, what about 1%? In my opinion is, oh, those are my guys. Yes, we have a trading desk. In my opinion, everybody, 1% is too much. Make sense? It's too much. I mean, it's your business. You need to be responsible. You are building the rules. But in my humble opinion, 1% is too much risk. Oh, but Gianpaolo, I know. You have people taking 1% risk, 2% risk, 3% risk, 5% risk. Alright? But they then talk when it comes to consistency. Alright, check with them. So it's 0.5%. I would rather risk 0.5%, you know, and lose 1.5 than risk 1% and lose 3. I mean, again, does this make sense? Not do you agree with me, does this make sense? Because consolidation is going to come. I believe there is a statistic out there, right? I never checked if it's true or not, but the statistic says that the market consolidates 80% of the time. I'm not sure if this is true, but anyway, so this is the first part. Now, if you want to trade consolidation, part number 2, if you want to trade consolidation, probability wise, trade it in the direction of the previous established pattern, because consolidation eventually, why eventually? Because we don't know when, eventually is going to end, and the market is going to continue its own way. Alright, everybody? Take a screenshot of this too. Give me a second. A lot of text today, right? take a screenshot if you want. If you want to trade consolidation, probability wise, trade it in the direction of the previous established pattern. Again, this makes sense, right? Because consolidation eventually is going to end and the market is going to continue its own way. Take a screenshot, photo, whatever, type in the chat done. Remember, there is no right or wrong. Boss, can I trade both ways? Yes, you can, but one way is going to have a exactly smaller probability. Alright, now let's go to this one, part number 2. If this is the uptrend, right? If this is the uptrend and consolidation is in here, right? Now you can trade in theory. Shuras is done, all done. In theory, you can trade both sides, right? Alright, everybody? Now, we didn't learn support, resistance, and other stuff, right? But just talking about direction, wouldn't be safer, not in absolute terms, but in probabilistic terms, wouldn't it be safer to buy the market? Because the market eventually is going to explode and move back up. Wouldn't this make sense? Sure, the market also can go down into a deeper retracement. Yes, sir. But direction-wise, you are trading in the direction of the bigger picture. Does this make sense? So it's statistically proven, if you want to listen to me and lower your head and being coachable, it's statistically proven that this kind of consolidation, 7 times out of 10, 3 times out of 10 they're going to push lower, you know, but 7 times out of 10 they're going to push higher. It's statistically proven that it's better to trade in the direction of the bigger picture. It's proven statistically. Make sense? Now, it doesn't mean that you cannot short, but if you buy 7 times out of 10 the market when it's time to explode, so this is your loser, right? If you know this stuff, and it's all about education, if you know this stuff, this is going to be a place when the market is going to hit the upper band of consolidation again. You are going to short, right? You've done 2 shorts already and you won. Here you are going to do the 3rd short. You are going to sell for the 3rd time, example, and bam, this is going to be your unnecessary loser. Make sense? Boss, how do you know? I don't know. But going long, I have a higher probability to have just winners. Going short, I'm risking that I'm going to have a loser. Now, this loser might or might not happen. Does this make sense? Boss, can you repeat please? Yes, sir. Because the market trend or the market wave is up, direction wise, and you have the uptrend line, direction wise, this market 7 times out of 10 is going to continue its own way, right? You can go on all time frames and all currency pairs, and ends the CAD example, ends the CAD daily chart. Give me a second. Daily chart, ends the CAD daily chart, right? Just an example. Didn't the market, isn't the market going its own way? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Exactly. 7 times, not every single time, but 7 times out of 10 the market is going to resume and go its own way. Ends the cat, downtrend, extension, retracement, extension. Right? And we're going to try to see some consolidation. So knowing this, then if I buy, I have a better probability, not a guarantee, a better probability. The market can push lower too. But direction wise, me just buying, I have a higher probability. And knowing this, me shorting, it's not that it's going to happen, but me shorting, I'm risking the market to resume its own way. And it did. And it did, right? We can go to euro dollar. Clone chart. We can go to euro dollar. Find that alright, daily, right? Give me a second. So this one and delete. There you go. Thanks to Ernesto. And now euro dollar, right? In both ways. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Isn't the market resuming? And then euro dollar, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lower lows. In here, we're talking about this one, right? And we can change colors too. So me knowing this, everybody, this is an unnecessary loser. And if you want to trade shorting the market, just risk less. If you are buying 0.5%, short the market, sell with 0.5%. What if consolidation happened end of extension? Great question. What do you think? What do you think? Great question. So we have consolidation, talking about the market wave, right? Extension, retracement, extension. What if consolidation happens up in here? And extension, retracement. What if consolidation happens in here? Right? And extension, retracement. What if consolidation happens in here? Right, everybody? What do you think? We didn't learn anything, right? How many of you think, alright, now I'm going to put 0.5% on me shorting the market? Type in the chat me. I know, it's always this. I love you guys, believe me. Oh, boss, I understand what you're saying. Maybe not. Oh, I know what you mean. I understand what you're saying. Let's check if you understand what I'm saying. This is extension, retracement, and this is extension. Alright? Or on the market wave or on the shortened trend. Now here you have consolidation, and you are telling me, oh boss, I got you, I understand what you're saying, so I'm going to put more risk me shorting the market and less risk on me buying the market. How many of you would do this? Type in the chat right now. Be honest. Type in the chat me. You are doing this already. The question is, are you willing to expose yourself in the chat so I can help you, or are you going to be in your cubicle and stay quiet? For God's sakes, I must not make any mistakes. It's a mind trap. I'm without coffee, I'm without water. Alright, 5 more minutes. I'm going to smell coffee. Hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader 4K, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Yarek, hedge fund trader Sink, and everybody else. Andre. Yeah, I forgot a lot of names. What would you do? How would you trade this one? Would you trade equal risk? Going short, going long? Would you just short the market? Would you just buy the market? What would you do? Some of you said, oh boss, I understand what you mean. Let's check if you understand what I mean. Because you can easily misunderstand and lose. Shola, talk to me. I know I have a 20 seconds delay on the chat. Talk to me, what would you do in terms of or maybe direction? So how would you trade this consolidation? How would you trade this consolidation? Buy or sell? And if you would trade both sides, how much risk would you put on each side? You can say, I'm going to buy and sell, I'm going to put the same risk. I will put 0.5% shorting from alright everybody? And how much risk would you put on the long side, Shola? Thanks for being honest. Shola said, I will put 0.5% shorting from top of the band. What would you do when the market gets to the green lower band? Would you buy it? And if yes, how much risk? There is no right or wrong. You can say I would buy it, I would not buy it. You can say I would stay out. There is no right or wrong. Ala, what would you do? And everybody else online. Take a screenshot, picture, photo, type in the chat done, and study those. No, there is no right or wrong. Shola, we need to move, everybody. Time is moving, time is passing. Alright, Ala and everybody else, listen up. In the meantime, Shola is going to tell us what he's going to do. If I am shorting the market, just shorting, and if I am not buying, alright, and if I put more risk on the short side and less risk on the long side, am I trading? Look at me. Am I trading what I think is going to happen, or am I trading what I'm seeing? I will buy with 0.25. So Shola, it's putting more risk on the short side than the buy side. Is Shola trading what he sees, or is Shola trading what he believes is going to happen? What do you mean? Why would you put more risk on the short side? Why would you put more risk on the short side? Why would you just sell and not buy when you are seeing what? Are you seeing a downtrend? Are you seeing a down market wave? Are you seeing anything that is telling you that this market, probability wise, is going to retrace at the time that you are trading? Type in the chat yes, or type in the chat no. No, I'm just speculating. I'm just speculating. Pat yourself on the back, everybody. Trading, from what I'm seeing, it's a skill you're going to learn. It's going to take you 1 year or more. Alright? Especially in the Forex course 202, we kick your ass. Sorry for the bad word in English. I'm kicking your ass. Forex course 202. Don't trade from what you think is going to happen. Trade from what you see. Oh, I bought here because this and this and that. Make sense, everybody? Quick example of this infamous issue from beginner traders to intermediate to advanced. The market is, this is the market wave, the market is in here, and the market starts doing like this, and countless traders, you know, John, did you buy the market? No. Why not? Because the market didn't retrace enough. John and Jane, who told you that the market is going to retrace more? No, but the market didn't retrace enough. Fibonacci traders. No, but the market didn't retrace enough. Same story. This is the Fibonacci. We're going to learn Fibonacci in the future. The market is in here. Start making hard highs, hard lows. John or Jane, did you buy? No. Why not? Because the market didn't retrace enough. Who told you that the market must retrace more, or who told you that the market is going to retrace more? Good news, bad news. What's the good news? This is totally normal. Pat yourself on the back. We all did this 20 years ago. Alright? This is the good news. What's the bad news? Unless you get skilled in understanding and get more aware that you are trading from what you believe it must or it should happen because you are the god of the reason, then no money for you. No money, no Lambo, no consistency. Alright? That's the truth. Because extension is confirmed. So what? So what? You are still speculating. I'm going to short the market and I'm not going to buy. You are speculating because going up in here, you have a confirmed uptrend. You buying, you are seeing an uptrend. It's confirmed. You can see it on the chart. You can show it to me. Up in here, you just shorting. There is no downtrend yet. Please, everybody, tell me, make me happy today. Tell me that you understand the difference. Here, you can see an uptrend. This is the reason why you would go long. Up in here, you are not seeing a downtrend. And because you are not seeing a downtrend, you are speculating. Make me happy. Type in chat. Oh, I got you. I understand what you mean. This is me speculating that the market is going to retrace. Oh, but it's in an extension. It is. But who is telling you that this market is going to retrace and not move up even further? Make sense, everybody? What should I do? I don't know. I don't know what you should do. But here, just shorting the market and putting more risk on the short side, you are speculating. Please take my advice. I beg you. In 2003, the coach must beg the student. It's a crazy world out there. back in time I would throw something at you. This today, you know, pussycats and golden unicorns, we must beg the student, oh, please just tell what I do, you know. It's a crazy world out there, you know. 2023, me personally coaching, not liking anymore, like, you know. Why not, boss? Because I need to be nice to you, right? And beg you, please do the homework. But anyway, you know, it's conversation for another story. Sir, let us address the 3 diagrams. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Chola. Alright. So this is you speculating. Now, if the market would do something like this, right? And here make a retracement. Alright, now this would be another story. Make sense? Everybody, I know that I'm boring. Rewatch this lesson, especially this part, because this is what you don't get. This is what you are not getting it in terms of probabilities. Rewatch this lesson, and I'm not joking, at least 4 times. I know, I'm not going to watch the lesson 4 times. I'm not stupid. Well, you might not be stupid, but you are not skilled either. Make sense? Check your result, check your MyFX book. Not personal. Everybody take my advice. Watch this. Alright, and then go on the charts and try to find consolidation. Alright? Seeing here, just maybe, you know, maybe not the best. Oh, maybe this one, you know. Alright, there you go. Just an example here. And if I go, this is the daily, if I go on the 4-hour chart, seeing here, right, you would buy the market. Consolidation eventually is going to go in the direction of the short-term trend, right? If you would buy the market. And another, let's find another one. 4-hour, I don't have it. Whoa, great one, great one. See, Shula, this is you speculating right now. See in here, everybody? Isn't this consolidation on the 4-hour chart and the 15-minute chart? Right? This was the example. The market is in an extension. Everybody, is the market in an extension? Made a lower low until here? Extension, retracement, extension, right? And oh, this I'm going to put more risk on the buy side, right? And you put more risk on the buy side, and bam! Can you see it, everybody? What if there is a change in the short term? Oh, I just answered you. Alright, everybody, our time is up. See you back tomorrow with the next lesson. Till tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss, because you are the boss of your account and this is the boss. Signing off. And by the way, everybody, if you want to join Saturday, send me an email. This is our last word. It's advanced, not for beginner trade.